Have you ever found yourself waking up tired even after getting a full 8 hours of sleep? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that about 1 in 3 adults in the United States don't get enough rest or sleep on a daily basis. Rest is not just a luxury, it's essential for teachers. Just like professional athletes schedule quality rest in their training routines, teachers need rest to perform at their best. Let's dive into the different forms of rest that can help you restore balance in your life and experience a greater sense of well-being. Mental rest. Engage in activities that promote relaxation and mental clarity. Emotional rest. Find activities that bring you joy and peace, such as mindfulness or setting healthy boundaries. Creative rest. Take time to engage in activities that bring you joy and curiosity, allowing your imagination to awaken. Physical rest. Prioritize activities that allow your body to recover, repair, and replenish. Sensory rest. Seek out quiet and peaceful environments to regain focus and calm. Social rest. Nurture your relationships and foster meaningful connections with yourself and others. Spiritual rest. Nurture your soul and cultivate a sense of purpose. Now that we've explored the various types of rest, you can see that rest is not a luxury, but a necessity for your overall well-being and the success of your teaching journey. So, as you plan your summer, intentionally incorporate these types of rest into your schedule.